So I'm gonna be unboxing this lunch box. So it comes really well sealed, and the brand is Caperci, and this is an on-go, it's like a salad container. You can also use it as a lunch box. So I'm just going to remove the plastic, and it has the brand name also written on this. So this contains several compartments. When you open up the box, so this is how you open up the box from the side. You open up the box on this side, on the other side, on this side, and then lastly on this side. That the lid is very durable, and you have the center where you can put your ranch dressing, you can put your dips dressing. You also have different compartments right here to put anything that you want to use to make a salad. You do have an extra container to put any sauces or dips, and then you have the big section to put the main food. So this salad box, lunch box, comes in different colors. You have it in blue. I got it in blue, but you also have it in aqua sky, gray, pink, and purple, and it's 64 ounces. It can fit up to 6 cups of healthy foods that you want. So as you can see, it contains everything really nicely, and I can place everything together like that and put that cover on in there. You're gonna hit snap to show that it's covering, and it snaps in, and I'm gonna place it in the bag now.